Hello, and welcome to STU 101 First Year Experience. My name is Meredith Crossan, and I will be your instructor for this spring 2021 semester. I also want to take the time and welcome you to Jacksonville State University. If this is your first semester being here with us, I'm so glad you chose this as your campus to continue your education. So welcome and go Gamecocks. Yes, I know that's cheesy, but I don't care. Okay, anyways, so this class, the first thing I want to tell you about this class is that it is 100% online, if you weren't sure. So it is 100% online. That means we will not be meeting physically in the classroom, nor will it be part in the classroom and part online. It is 100% online. However, I do have an office on campus here at JSU in Jacksonville. So if you do ever need to stop by my office, you can. You can call me, you can email me, whatever you feel like you need to do. I am here. You can always reach out to me about any questions you may have about your classes, your teachers, anything on campus. Please feel free to reach out to me and I would love to help you. So the first part of week 1 is welcome to STU 101 and also for Canvas. If you're not familiar with Canvas, I just want to walk you through a little bit of what Canvas can do for you. The easiest way to get to Canvas is go ahead and log on to jsu.edu. This is JSU's homepage. The next thing you want to do is go over to this magnifying glass right here, click on it, and a menu drops down. These are going to be the most popular tools that students, faculty, and staff use. From here, you can go to your My JSU, which is a student dashboard page where you can do all sorts of things. Canvas, which you definitely need to use for your classes, and your gym email account. Please make sure you're checking that, not only for me, but your teachers. This is how we communicate with you. Okay, so we're going to click into Canvas. Right here, number 1, go to Canvas login page. It's that easy. Just click on there. Okay, so I did not log in or log off from the last time, so mine is going to come right back up, but you'll have to put in your username and then a password. If you have not been in your Canvas yet, it's going to be a default password, and then it's going to ask you to set up a new password. So let's go ahead and scroll on down. Mine looks a little different from yours, but I'm going to swap to student mode in just a second, and then you're going to see my screen will be what you should see. All right, so our course has Cocky on it. There he is. Oops, let me go down one more. He's right here, sorry. Spring 2021. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go in student mode. All right, this is what you see, except for the purple down here. All right, JSU STU 101 First Year Experience. I've given you a welcome message, also with my information, my phone, my email, and my office. However, I am moving to the library, so I won't be in the TMB much longer, maybe another 2 weeks, and then I'm moving to the library. Okay. The first thing I ask for you to do is go to the modules tab, which is right here. And there is a course orientation that you can go through. All you have to do is click, and it's real easy. You're just kind of looking at how to adjust to online learning if you've never taken an online class before. And you just click on each one, and you can just skim through this, quickly read. And then right here, it just takes you to the next one. Or if you prefer, instead of clicking next, you can always go back to modules, and then you're back here, and you can go to the next one. Okay. However you want to do it. Once you have read through all of these, it is not showing up. Okay. There is, let me go back out of this one. Because I didn't publish it. there is a student verification activity that you see. There we go. Let me go back in there. Okay. So now you see a student verification activity. You will click on that, and all I ask you to do is to, after you've read through that, just submit a text entry stating that you've read through it and you're active in this class. To do that, all you have to do is click Submit Assignment, come down here, and you can do a text entry, and you will just put, I am active, if I could spell, in this class. That's all you have to do. And then click Submit Assignment. If you would rather upload something, you can type a document on your computer, and then you can upload it from your computer if you want to. That's fine. Whatever you prefer. Okay. The first thing after the course orientation, you will see STU 101 Spring 2021 course syllabus and schedule. This is our course syllabus and schedule. Let's see if it's going to download it for us. It might take a sec. Okay, it came on up. So you can download this straight here, or you can click on it and it will download it to your computer, whatever way you prefer. This lists my information again. This also shows you the required text for this course, which is a JSU student handbook and a daily planner, and the book Listening is an Act of Love. You should have received all of this at your orientation session. If you did not, please email me and let me know. Okay, so you can read through all of this if you prefer. This is very important for STU 101. In STU 101, you do not receive a letter grade. You do not receive an A, B, or C, or D, or F. You receive a pass or a NC, a no credit. So you either pass this class or you don't. You want to pass this class because if you don't, you will have to take it again. This is a very easy class and you should pass it. All right, so let's look at some of the assignments for this class. To pass this class, there's an opportunity to earn 270 points. All you need to earn is 174 points. That's all you need to pass this class. But you have an opportunity to earn 270. Here are the assignments that we have for this semester. But all you need is 174. So I know you can do it. It's going to be very easy. It's not hard at all. So here we are, week 1. Welcome to STU 101 and Canvas, which we're doing that right now. And then you can see all of the other weeks. You can see that this stops on April 8th as week 12. But if for some reason you have not earned enough points, 174 points, we can go into week 13 if needed. Let's go back. Each week is going to be listed in your modules. So week 1, and then I've also labeled it with the date, January 14th. Nothing is in week 1 yet, but I will be placing this video in there so you can see it. But all you have to do is click on the module and there will be things, assignments, or quizzes for you to look at. And then week 2 will appear, week 3, week 4, and so on. And there will be very guided directions for you and what you need to do. All right, so that about wraps up STU 101, the Welcome to STU 101. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know. Please email me, call me, or you can come by and see me. And I think that's going to be about it. So I'm looking forward to this semester with you. I will be posting announcements weekly, sometimes more than weekly, and then coming on here and doing videos. Please don't feel like I'm just out, in La La Land, or you're just out there without any help because this is an online course, just let me know what you need and I would love to help you. All right, I hope you have a good day and I'll see you soon. Bye.